I found out every solution is coming in Odoo in single website. I am getting all the things easier for us. Also, in many times we already lost many money on that part. But with working with Odoo, we feel that my whatever I spend on money on that, it is worth for me. Some of the manufacturers, some are the traders, but same difficulties people are facing. So we already recommended them, and they also joined with your Odoo partner.
Hello everyone, we have Mr. Zeeshan with us from Escozor Automation Private Limited. Hello sir.
Hello.
How are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
All good. How did you find our Odoo Community Day event?
Actually, one of your partner from whom we are working together, they shared us these details. So that's why we came here to get the experience of these community days.
Correct. And this is the first time you are visiting Odoo Community
Yeah,
Day?
actually we worked with Odoo since last 6 months. So
Okay.
this was our first experience in community days.
Great. So what are your thoughts? Like, did you imagine this exact, event that how it will go?
Actually, we never visited this type of event, but
Okay.
want to explore these things in Gandhinagar, especially in India, because we never thought this type of big events happen in our city.
Right. So, before moving forward, can you please explain me about your organization?
Actually, I am the founder and director of Escozor Automation Private Limited.
Okay.
We are providing home automation solutions to the smart automation solutions to every home. We have smart locks, touch switches, and other furniture locks, everything we have.
Right.
So for that, we are facing some organization related issues to make, we need a solution for that to maintain our sales activity like CRM, inventory
Absolutely.
management. So for that, we are looking for some solution.
Right. So, while searching for a proper, accurate solution for your organization, how did you come to know about Odoo? How did you like the services as well?
Yeah, actually, we are searching on internet. On
Okay.
Google, I see this Odoo,
Correct.
and in Gandhinagar, in many and between Gandhinagar and Ahmedabad, they have lots of hoardings.
Right.
So through that, we find there is one accounting solution they are providing.
Correct.
So for that, I searched on the internet, and meanwhile searching that, I found out on the website there are lots of partners.
Okay.
So earlier when I was searching, there are lots of difficulties I am facing to understand the product.
Okay.
So that's why I searched out on your partner list, and in my same building there is a company called Mindfin.
Okay.
They provide me all the solution, and it is easier for me to reach to them because they are in my same building.
Absolutely.
So through them, I found out every solution is coming in Odoo in single website. I am getting all the things easier for us.
Right. So not just Odoo being a product, but even our Odoo family is expanding, right?
Right.
So it is very easy for everyone to get in touch with Odoo directly or with
Right.
Odoo partners as
Yeah.
well.
It is very easier for us to understand in our own language.
Absolutely.
This is the main thing for us to get in touch with Mindfin. So through Mr. Ashwin, I found out the exact solution which I am required in my organization.
Correct.
So we sit together with them, and they give us the solution for different product range. For example, we are looking for the accounting solution. So through that, it is really easier to convert the sales from CRM to take the invoice.
Right.
So my team going through that process, it is very simple and easy steps to convert invoice from CRM and quotation, making the quotation and take out the invoice.
So I can safely say that, because Odoo's automation, it was much easier for you also to take the decision from which ERP you want to go forward.
Correct. Also, it is easier for us to maintain the inventory because through the Odoo, we added the barcoding thing in our product. Through that, my people can easily access that and maintain the inventory. Also, we added our website in the same Odoo. So
Okay.
through that website, we added the e-commerce website.
Correct.
So inventory, sale, and everything. We did everything in single Odoo. Means it is very easier for us. Also for social media marketing, we use the WhatsApp marketing and email
Okay.
marketing.
Okay.
So all these thing we done with them. But
Okay.
we did step by step process because it is really difficult to adapt a new
Absolutely.
thing for my team.
Absolutely.
So step by step, they explained us every features. Then we implemented in our system. Then we all of thing this we are doing. Also in the website, we are also doing the SEO. So now we are ranking on
Correct.
Google within this 6 months.
Okay, okay. So I must say that you are using in completely entire suite,
Yeah,
and it is very easy and
correct.
convenient, if we may say.
Yeah, actually, we need only one-stop solution because in market there are lots of small application are available. For example, for CRM, there is one application. For accounting, there is another application. For WhatsApp marketing, there is another application.
Absolutely.
To maintain everything, it is really very difficult and headache for me to educate everything to my team.
Correct.
So that's why we are searching for all this solution in single point of contact.
Correct.
And through MindFin, as they have already experienced team, so within a certain months, initially in just 1 month, we implemented 2 or 3 things.
Okay.
For
Okay.
example, CRM, sales, related things, invoicing.
Right.
Within a month, we did everything.
Okay.
After that, we implemented website. Then we added inventory and e-commerce and
Right.
WhatsApp marketing. So like this, we develop everything with them. Also in my application website, we added Facebook Pixel for
Okay.
the integration.
Correct. Correct.
So all these things coming together, we are now ranking good on Google.
Right. So, when you say about implementation, correct? How was your journey from sales to implementation? How would you recommend, like, by scaling 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, how
Yeah.
much points you want to give to Odoo and Odoo's family as
Yeah,
well?
actually, my point of view, I am giving 9.5 because there are lots of things in the market. People are telling that this will happen, and also in many times we already lost many money on that part.
Right.
But with working with Odoo, we feel that my whatever I spend on money on that, it is worth for me. And whatever support I am getting from Mindfin, it's really amazing because in single message or single call, they are coming to us and providing a perfect solution to my team. And if there is some difficulties, then they are changing their code accordingly and providing us the solution whichever is fitting best for our solution.
Correct, correct. So I'm wanted to understand that if you want to recommend our software or
Yeah.
do services, would you be happy to recommend it to your
Yeah.
partners, to your subordinates?
Yeah, surely. Actually, with the using of Odoo, our solution is happen very quickly and easy to implement with our system. So I recommend it to my competitors also. So actually, they are also using the same platform because the same difficulties they are facing in their because we are from the same family.
Right,
In
right.
home automation, there are lots of competitors are um, means they are handling all these things together. Some of the manufacturers, some are the traders, but same difficulties people are facing. So we already recommended them, and they also joined with your Odoo partner.
Right. So Zeeshan, if you can let me know that if there is a chance for you to add any new application, or if you want to modify something on Odoo, right, what would that be? Especially to support your organization.
Yeah, actually, currently we are working on this social media part. So in social media part, there are some limitations we are facing regarding the social media marketing. For example, if we are using YouTube, Facebook and Instagram together, there are some limitations of that video file is there.
Okay.
So if we are means uploading one file of video, that in 3 of them together it's not possible.
Right.
On Odoo, and sometime we need to do it manually. So maybe the social media part need to be improved more.
Absolutely, absolutely. As based on your recommendation, on your feedbacks, we will also, make sure that we can make our services more reliable to you and your
Right.
organization.
Right.
Right. Any other feedbacks if you want to give?
Actually, till now I am already gave 9.5. So there is no such more things from my end that I am requiring, because whatever I required, we got the proper solution from Odoo and their partner Mindfield. So maybe in future, if required anything, we will contact them, and hopefully I'm thinking that in near future you will give more and more features on that.
Absolutely, absolutely. We will surely, do n number of additions to
Right.
our applications in terms of, Indian mindset as well, Indian government rules and regulations, keeping every employees or keeping every, aspects of the business in our mind.
Right.
Right. Thank you so much
Yeah, thank you so much.
thank you so much for the chat.